Almost 2 years after Triumph showcased the motorcycle range at the 2012 Auto Expo in New Delhi, the British company finally rolled out no less than 10 models for the Indian market at very reasonable prices. Sales will commence by the second half of December, and the company will be selling models from 5 of its 6 categories of motorcycles, namely the Classics, the Adventure, the Cruisers, the Roadsters, and of course the Super Sports. The 6th category of touring motorcycles will probably see a presence in the later half of next year. The cheapest model, the retro-looking 865cc Bonneville, comes from the Classic category and is priced at Rs 5.7 lakh, while its cousin, the T100, will sell for 6.6 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The Thruxton, a true bred cafe racer, uses the same engine and retails for a brilliant 6.7 lakh rupees ex-showroom. These 3 models will be assembled locally at their Manesar plant near Gurgaon. In the Adventure category, both the 800XC and the bigger 1215cc Explorer will be sold via the CBU or the completely built unit way and are priced at 12 lakhs and 17.9 lakh rupees ex-showroom respectively. These pack in a lot more punch as compared to the BMW offerings, and with the kind of dealer network Triumph is aiming at, should go very well with the travel junkies. In the Cruiser category, the 1700cc parallel twin Thunderbird Storm can be used for 13 lakhs, making it an excellent value for money deal in front of the rivals from Harley-Davidson. However, what is really worthy of appreciation is the 2294cc Rocket 3 Roadster. This is still the largest displacement production motorcycle in the world and comes with a sticker price of 20 lakhs. This is approximately 20% less than what the grey market charges. Both these models come to India in the CBU form. Moving on to the Roadsters category, both the 675cc Street Triple and the 1050cc Speed Triple will be assembled in India, and this helps to keep the cost down. The 675cc Street Triple puts out over 100 horses and is priced at 7.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, while the 135 bhp Speed Triple can be used for a cool 10.4 lakh rupees only, giving the Honda CB1000R a run for its money by being 1.6 lakh rupees cheaper. Lastly, the Super Sports category also makes it to India in the form of the locally assembled Daytona 675R. Now R stands for top of the line parts like Brembo brakes, Öhlins suspension, quick shifter, etc. This is on sale at 11.4 lakhs, though we feel Triumph should have got the cheaper non-R version as well, which is powered by the same engine. The non-R version can very well cost under 10 lakh rupees in India. Note that all prices mentioned above are ex-showroom prices. All these 10 models will go on sale together and bookings are already open. The company is also getting in the entire range of accessories to India, which includes both riding gear as well as aftermarket parts and accessories for the bikes. We must say we are pretty impressed with their grand entry and are very sure they will soon be the best selling in the high capacity premium motorcycle segment in India.